Hello, this is Rob and welcome to my video. In this video I'm going to show you two different ways of how you can install Zoom on Ubuntu. So first you have to download Zoom. You go to zoom.us and you should get a website, I think. Yep. And you go to top here, resources, download Zoom client. The browser already recognizes and the website that you are on a Linux variant. So it asks you, what Linux do you have? Well, Ubuntu, 64-bit, 16.04 and later. Download. So now you type in Ctrl-Alt-T, cd, downloads, /. I need to know what it's called, and it's called not Teams, but it's called the Zoom _AMD 64 DEB. That's a long name, but we type in sudo apt install /zoom tab key. It fills out the entire title of the file, and now you press enter. It asks you for your password. You type in your password, which is really secret, and it's done. Now we have to check. Let's get out of this and this one. Is it installed? I can't see it. Zoom, there it is. Will it start up? Yes, there it is. But there is another way, an easy way. This is the second virtual machine. Same thing. I think I already downloaded it, but okay. Download. Now we go to the download folder over here. Download. Yep, I already downloaded it. Right mouse button. Open with other application. Now it has unpacked. Now it wants to install password and it's preparing. Installing. So now it's installed. If you want to have it on the quick select bar, type it in, Zoom, right mouse button, add to favorites, and it is here. There you go. And that's how you install Zoom two different ways, the command line way and the clickety-click way on Ubuntu. Please like, share and subscribe to my videos. Please share and like, that would be awesome. And I'll start on the next video. So, thank you. Bye bye.